Hello guys, how are you? Fine. Today our lesson is about division. How do we divide numbers and when, for what we'll use division and what is the relation between division and the previous lesson that we took it about multiplication. Let's start. Okay, objectives of this lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to divide numbers, how to group them, how to divide numbers into equal groups, and how to know the relation between division and multiplication. First of all, what do I mean by division? What is division? When we'll use division? Division, if we will use division if we are splitting something, if we are dividing something, if we are distributing. For example, when I say I want to distribute the grade 4 students into sections, 4 sections, A, B, C, D, equally, such that in each section we will have same number of students. For example, if we have 25 students in section A, 25 students also in section B. So we are splitting or dividing the students in sections. So we will use what? Division. So we will use division if we are splitting something such as numbers, objects, but we will split them into equal groups. Okay, so they have to be equal. This is the most important thing. Same number inside each group. For example, here we have hats. I will split these hats inside what pots such that I will have the same number of hats inside each one. Why? I will split them equally. Okay? I will split them equally. So inside each one we will have the same number of hats. If we are splitting something or objects, we are talking about what? We are talking about division. Let's check how many groups do we have here? We have 3 groups. So I will distribute them into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Now inside each group, how many hats do we have? Let's check. Can I put one here inside the first one? Yes. One in the second one in the third one, equal. Okay. Let's try. Can I put 2? Yes, 2 here, and 2 here. Can I put 3? Yes, they should be equal. If here we have 3, here also 3, and here also what? 3 hats. Can I put 4? Yes, 4, 4, 4. Do we have more hats? No. So how many groups? 3 groups, okay, of which number of 4? Why 4? Because inside each group we placed 4 hats. So here we have 3 groups, 3 groups of which number of 4? Okay, why of 4? Because inside each group we placed 4 hats. Another example. How many groups of 3 are there in 18? 18 means the total number of balls here. Okay, balls, total number equals how much? 18. We are splitting the balls. We are dividing them into groups. Type. How many groups? Into how many groups can I split them? Such that inside each group, how many balls? They said how many groups of 3. So inside each group, we will have 3 balls. Let's circle every 3 balls together. Okay, so here 18 means the total number. When I say of 3, I mean every 3 balls together. So 1, 2, 3, these 3 together. Heidi group. 1, 2, 3. Heidi second group. 1, 2, 3. Third group. 1, 2, 3. Because they said of 3. Inside each group, we must have same number of balls. 3, 3, 3, 3. and here also 3, and here also 3. How many groups did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many groups? 6 groups of 3. Okay, like this we answer them. We are grouping 3 balls, every 3 balls together. Inside each group, 3, 3, 3, 3. At the end, we count how many groups did we make? We make 6 groups. So because if we are splitting or we are dividing, so we will use what? Division. So how do we write the equation? We start with the total number, 18. We are splitting them into groups of 3. So 18 divided by 3. We will use division because we are dividing, we are splitting the balls, we are grouping them. So 18 divided by 3, and answer, how many groups did we make? We made 6. So the answer will be 6. Okay. Now we will do the first question on the extra sheet. We want to know how many groups of 5 are there in 10. What do I mean in 10? 10 is total number. Okay? Total number. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yani total number of fruits here or vegetables equals how much? 10. Type. How many groups of 5? So I will circle every 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because they said of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here together. How many groups did we make? 2 groups. So how do we write the equation? We start with the total number. 10 divided by 5. How many groups? 2. So equals 2 because we made 2 groups of 5. Okay? The second one, how many groups of 4 are there in 12? So the total number equals 12. So in order to write the equation, I will write 12 divided by 4. Why divide? Because we are splitting, we are dividing. So 12 divided by 4. In order to know how much, I will circle every 4 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups did we make? Check. 1, 2, 3 groups. So the answer will be 3. That's it. How many groups of 3 are there in 9? 9 is the total number of tomatoes. How many groups can we make of 3? So let's circle every 3 together. 3, 3, and 3. How many groups did we make? 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 3. How many groups of 2 are there in 4? So 4 divided by 2. Let's check how much. Every 2 together. Of 2. Of which number 2? Here of which number 5? So we have to circle every 5 together. Of 4. We have to circle every 4 together. Of 2. So I will circle every 2 together. How many groups did we make? 1, 2. So 2 groups. The answer will be 2. And here, how many groups of 9 are there in 18? Total number of strawberries is 18. I will circle of which number 9? So every 9 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here 9. Equally. How many groups did we circle? 2. So the answer will be 2. Here, how do we write the equation? Here, I will start with the total number. What is the total number? 18. So 18. 18. We are dividing them into groups. How many strawberries in each group? 9. So 18 divided by 9. How many groups did we make? Equals 2. How many groups of 6 are there in 12? So the total number equals 12. I will circle how much of 6. So every 6 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 6. How many groups did we make? 2 groups. In order to write the equation, I will start with the total number 12 divided by, we are splitting them into groups of 6, so divided by 6. How many groups did we make? 2, so equals 2. It's so easy, guys, just pay attention. If we are splitting something, if we are dividing, separating, distributing, so we have to use what? Division. Okay, guys, thank you, see you.